What's going on, guys and gals? Welcome back for another bathroom gift idea. Now, in a previous video, I did a shower head upgrade for a Hansgrohe 6-inch S150 shower head. I'll have a link to that one in the description box below. But in this video, this is going to be an upgrade to even that shower head. And so our Hansgrohe shower head was 6 inches in diameter, and the upgraded shower head is also by Hansgrohe. It is a 12-inch diameter shower head. It is a monster. And so the shower head behind me is neither of the ones that we're talking about. This is a Moen that came with a shower valve kit. I'm going to turn this one on so that you can see what it looks like when we just turn one on like this. So this is actually an upgrade above just a super basic, straight off the shelf, $5, $10, $15 shower head. This is an upgrade from that. So this is kind of a run-of-the-mill bell-shaped shower head. It's approximately, this one is 4.5 inches in diameter. We'll call it 4 3/4. However, the shower nodules stop well before that, and so the shower nodules are actually only about 3 inches in diameter. The shower heads that I'm talking about have shower nodules all the way out to the edges of the shower heads. Let's compare the two Hansgrohe shower heads. So this is the shower head, the S150, which I previously talked about in a previous video. Awesome, awesome, awesome shower head. This is a 6-inch. Now, the big boss is this one. This is a Hansgrohe S240. This is a 12-inch shower head. So you can see the difference just in me holding them up side by side. You can see how many nodules you have on this one compared to this one. This one does have 2 different settings, has a massage setting on it. This one only has 1 setting. So you turn it on, you cook it up, and this is what you get. Both of these are chrome. On this one, we've got an arm on this one that is not a complete 90-degree. This one has a 90-degree arm because this head is so big, and it's also a longer head. So I'll have links to all that in the description box below. Before we get started with the big shower head, I just want to compare it to the one that I showed you previously. Okay, so just for size comparison, this is the S150 6-inch. This is the S240 12-inch, okay? So this is a huge size difference by comparison. And the price difference is huge as well. These are not in the same price point, not even close. I still recommend this one. This one is just at a much higher price point. So they're both very, very good shower heads. And so I'm gonna take the time to swap out this one so you can see how much water this one drops, and then we'll go from there. If you wanna see how this one performs, I'll have a link to the video that I showed how this one performs to the same shower head here comparison. So check that one out after you get done with this video. So before we swap out, let's at least turn on the water in this one and see how this one performs. So we got this one on. So as you can see, this one's on full blast now. Gives us a good amount of water here. Nice shower experience. Definitely an upgrade above a very, very super basic shower head for sure. So just want to show you that. Dropping a good amount of water there. So we'll cut this one off. Now let's get down to business.
Perfect.
Now, before we go any further, the first thing I want to say is The shower that I'm demoing this in is not set up for a shower head of this size. Typically you'd want to have your shower head probably another 4 to 6 inches taller than the height of this one. However, you can still use it underneath these circumstances. So if you're doing a bathroom remodel or upgrade, it's nothing to move this up a little bit higher on the wall if you've got everything already torn out and opened up. And even if you're not, you just want to make your bathroom accommodate that, there are ways of doing it. So let's jump into it and let me show you how this one functions. So remember how the other one worked. This thing is casting a shadow, it's so big. So let's turn this one on and see how this functions. So we got, see all that air coming out of there. So let's look at that. As you can see, guys, this thing is really dropping a lot of water. Pretty amazing. It's actually raining outside here where I'm at, but it's raining inside harder than it is on the outside. So hopefully you guys found this informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Links to all these products will be in the description box below. See you on the next one.